Choosing between Club Car, EZGO, and Yamaha used to feel simple. Club Car was known for its aluminum frame, EZGO for its electric carts, and Yamaha for its quiet gas models. But in 2026, all three offer stronger electric options, better comfort, and more choices. So today, we are comparing them in the areas that matter most: frame quality, electric power, gas performance, ride comfort, service, and value. The best choice depends on where you live, how you use the cart, and which dealer can support you after the sale. Before we get into the breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which of these three brands you currently trust the most. All right, let's get straight into it. Let's start with the frame. Club Car's Onward uses an aluminum frame. The main benefit is rust protection. If you live near the coast, in a humid area, or anywhere the cart is often exposed to moisture, that is a real advantage. EZGO models such as the RXV and Liberty use welded steel frames with protective coatings. Steel is strong, but damaged paint or coating can allow rust to start over time. That makes regular checks more important in wet or salty areas. Club Car clearly has the advantage for buyers who are most concerned about frame rust, but that does not make EZGO or Yamaha poor choices. In a dry area with normal care, all three can hold up well. The main difference is that Club Car gives coastal and humid area buyers extra peace of mind from the start. Next is electric power. EZGO uses its elite lithium system in models such as the RXV and Liberty. The batteries use Samsung technology and do not need the regular watering required by traditional lead-acid batteries. The Liberty also offers 4 forward-facing seats. Some versions can include a screen, phone connection, and backup camera. Club Car offers lithium power in the Onward, with different battery sizes available. A larger battery option is available for buyers who need more range. A digital display is also available on some versions. Yamaha offers the Drive 2 PowerTech Li. It uses a lithium battery and comes with independent front and rear suspension, which helps improve comfort. The EZGO Liberty stands out for technology and its 4 forward-facing seats. Club Car combines lithium power with the rust protection of its aluminum frame. Yamaha keeps the design simpler and focuses more on ride comfort. Whichever one you choose, compare the battery warranty, expected range, charger, and local service before buying. Now let's talk about gas. The Yamaha Drive 2 QuietTech uses a 357 cubic centimeter fuel-injected engine. Yamaha designed it to reduce the noise and vibration normally linked with gas carts. It also comes with independent front and rear suspension. That makes it a strong choice for large properties, resorts, farms, or buyers who want gas range without a rough and noisy ride. Club Car's Gas Onward uses a 429 cubic centimeters Kohler fuel-injected engine. EZGO also offers gas versions of the RXV with a 13.5 horsepower engine. All three offer capable gas carts, but Yamaha puts the most focus on making the gas experience quiet and comfortable. So, if you want gas and care about keeping noise down, Yamaha is the clearest choice. If you mainly drive short neighborhood trips and can charge at home, electric will still be quieter and simpler to use every day. Ride comfort is another major difference. Yamaha's Drive 2 PowerTech Li and QuietTech models use independent front and rear suspension. In simple terms, this helps the cart feel smoother over rough pavement, tree roots, and small bumps. The EZGO RXV uses independent front suspension with a more traditional rear setup. Its electric version also uses an automatic parking brake. It applies when the cart stops, which some drivers like, although it can feel different at first. Club Car's Onward has a solid and controlled feel. Lifted versions use Club Car's Sport Drive suspension, which is designed to improve stability and handling. For the smoothest ride, Yamaha has the strongest case. Club Car is worth considering if you want a stable feel with a choice between lifted and non-lifted versions. EZGO may appeal to buyers who like the RXV's braking system or the Liberty's 4 forward-facing seats. The best way to decide is to drive all three on the type of road you normally use. All three brands are well established, but your local dealer still matters. A good dealer can make repairs, warranty work, and regular maintenance much easier. For electric carts, compare the battery warranty, replacement cost, charger, and parts availability. For gas carts, compare normal service needs, engine parts, and local repair support. Do not assume one brand always has the best resale value. Used prices depend on the model, condition, battery age, service records, and demand in your area. A club car may appeal to buyers who want an aluminum frame. A Yamaha gas cart may suit buyers who need range, quick refueling, and a quieter engine. An EZGO lithium model may attract buyers who want modern electric power and available technology. The best long-term value usually comes from choosing the right cart for your needs and maintaining it properly. At the end of the day, these three brands are all strong choices, but they are strong for different reasons. The right answer depends on whether you care more about rust protection, electric features, gas performance, ride comfort, or local service. So, which brand is best in 2026? Choose Club Car if rust protection is a major concern, you want an aluminum frame, and you like the different onward options. Choose EZGO if you want a modern lithium cart, 4 forward-facing seats in the Liberty, and available features such as a screen, phone connection, and backup camera. Choose Yamaha if ride comfort is your main priority, or if you want a quiet gas cart through the Drive to Quiet Tech. There is no single winner for every buyer. Club Car makes the most sense for wet and coastal areas. EZGO is a strong option for buyers who want modern electric features. Yamaha is the easiest recommendation for a quiet gas cart and a smooth ride. Before buying, test drive all three, compare the written warranty, and check which local dealer has the best service department. Do not choose only by showroom appearance. Choose the cart that fits your roads, daily driving, power needs, and local support. Let me know in the comments below, are you Team Club Car, Team EZGO, or Team Yamaha in 2026? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other honest comparisons to help you buy the right cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.